Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to grow plum trees directly from seeds, and I'm going to get the seeds from the plums I have here. And the first thing to do is extract the pit from the plum. And to do this, eat the plums or open them in half. And take out the pits. Here it is. And now I'm going to let the pits dry for it to be easier to open the shell and extract the seeds. Now we are 1 day later and the pits are dry. You don't need to wait for the pits to dry, but I prefer because this way they are less slippery and it's easier and not so dangerous to open the pits. So the seed is inside the pit, and to open the pit I'm going to use some pliers that can cut, and I'm going to gently cut the edges. Don't go too much in the middle because you can damage the seed. You have to go right in the edge. And just keep cutting until you can see the inner part of the pit. Be careful not to hurt yourself. And you can use a hammer just to gently hit it. You can already see the seed inside. I'll try to open it like this. Use a hammer to gently crack the pit. And here it is. Here is the seed you use to germinate a plum tree. I will do the same thing for all the other pits. So now we have the seeds. I have 3 seeds. One of the pits had no seed inside. I have 1 seed that looks good. The other 2 are a little bit small. And this one is kind of slim, but let's see. I will try to germinate the 3 of them. And the next thing to do is put it in a paper towel. Here's the paper towel. Put the seeds, water it, then fold it, fold the paper. Water it again. Keep folding and watering. Turn it around. Okay. Then I will put it inside a zip bag. Close the bag. Take note of the date. And now I will put the bag in the fridge for it to germinate. It can take a few weeks or some months. And also you should check occasionally to see if it is creating mold. And if it is, you should change the paper and clean the seeds. And also check if the paper is still wet. If not, you should wet it again. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. Let's wait and see. So now we are 3 weeks after putting these seeds in the wet paper towel and in the fridge. I checked it at least once a week to see if it created mold and if it needed more water. So let's open. You can see that the root is big and it went across the paper. And we can see that this seed has a big root already growing. It has a little bit of mold. I'm going to take it out, try to take it out. Okay, and now let's take a look at the other two seeds. This one has a really small root. I can also sow this seed. And this one also has a small root. I will also sow it. So 3 weeks in the fridge and we already have the 3 seeds ready to sow. I have 3 small pots with potting soil. This is normal potting soil, that is all-purpose potting mix. These pots have holes in the bottom. And to sow these seeds, the first thing to do is make a small hole, the sufficient size to cover the seed and to put the roots inside the soil. Put the seed with the roots pointing down. Careful not to damage the roots. Look, this outer layer came off. There's no problem. Cover it. I'm going to gently press the soil down to make a good contact between the soil and the roots. And now I'm going to water the soil. Same thing with these 2 seeds with the smaller roots. So I will put the seed with the root pointing down, cover the seed, press it down gently, and then I'm going to water it. And now I'm going to keep these pots in a bright place. I'm going to water the soil frequently to maintain the soil always humid but never saturated with water. And now let's wait to see when will the seeds sprout. Now we are 5 days after sowing the seeds, and here we already have a small leaf. This is the seed that had the bigger roots. The other 2 seeds still did not sprout. Now we are 2 weeks after sowing the seeds, and we already have 2 plum trees growing. One month after sowing the seeds, and we can see that the 2 plum trees are growing very well and looking good. Today I transplanted the trees to bigger pots, and hopefully I will make another video showing how the trees are developing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you and goodbye.